everyone, my name is Ashley. I lead the Disability Pride Alliance for Gwinnett County Public Library. At our meetings, we often discuss the difficulty disabled people face in terms of explaining their perspective or sharing their life experiences with other people. This program, Disability Pride Telling Your Story, is going to talk about those challenges and help you find ways to express yourself. While we're using the word telling in the program title, we're going to go over how telling your story can be done in a variety of ways, not just through spoken word storytelling. So, first of all, you may be thinking, sure, there are certain things I'd like people to know about what it's like living with a disability, or maybe even that there's so much more to me than my disability, but no one is going to listen or care, so does what I want to say even matter? Yes, it does. Your perspective matters. While it's your choice how much you choose to share about yourself and your life, adding your viewpoint can help create a more open space to talk about disability care and rights and help you connect with other people in disabled communities, online or in person. There has been a lot of discussion about disability visibility and the importance of disabled people getting to share their experiences and be seen in movies, television, and the media around us. Becoming an active person in these spaces and conversations provides a chance for a person with a disability to control their own story rather than having Hollywood or non-disabled people doing it in ways that don't feel true to the actual experiences of the disabled. If you are wondering how you can take small steps in sharing your experiences, there are plenty of options open to you. If you are someone who likes to be online or on the internet, there are plenty of choices. You can find online blogs where you can write your stories, like Disability Horizons or The Mighty. There are also online forums and support groups through organizations like DBSA, the Depression and Bipolar Alliance, or Meetup.com communities. Social media is another way to be noticed. There are plenty of disability activists and disabled people talking online about various things they're going through or just their daily life. Following certain hashtags like #disabilitypride, #wheelchairlife is one way to find these online topics and get involved in the discussion. StoryCorps is another choice, a mobile platform where people can record and share their stories. They've teamed up with the Disability Visibility Project to reach people with disabilities and enable them to express themselves. You can record online or through their mobile tools, and they also have a location in Atlanta. Also, if you have trouble navigating things online and need help making your phone or computer more disability friendly, you can book a librarian appointment with the library to talk about making your technology more accessible. I'll go over that more towards the end of the program. If you're someone who likes to connect with people in person, you still have a lot of choices. There are often local support groups or organizations that provide community spaces for people with disabilities. You can find local support groups through your healthcare team or online. There are also local nonprofit organizations like the High Hope Service Center or the Shine Community. You can also check online or in the newspapers for community events like the Special Olympics Georgia. The library also offers its own programs like Open Your World Book Club at Five Forks and Mountain Parks Disability Pride Alliance. If you are someone who doesn't feel comfortable with these other options and like to express yourself in other ways, there are other creative ways you can communicate. Art is a big one, where you can create anything from clay art, paint, and maybe create bigger drawing projects like a comic book. Sign language is another way to communicate, and not just in social situations. There are several musicians who are deaf or hard of hearing who create beautiful performances incorporating sign language. You can also create videos, audio, or photo projects. If making a video or photo project sounds difficult, you can try and get friends or people from the local communities involved to help you create something. The library even has learning labs with state-of-the-art equipment for you to use. Even outside of video or audio equipment, they have advanced technology like 3D printers that can help you create a variety of objects. Hopefully the things I've mentioned can help spark some ideas for you. However, there are a few reminders I'd like to give you as well. Expressing yourself and telling your story can be fun, but it can also leave you feeling tired. Here are some reminders to keep you feeling calm while trying out these new things. Remember that you sharing your experiences is for you. It's not your job to educate other people. If someone is being resistant to your opinion or not respecting your boundaries, you do not have to keep interacting with them. If you do start to feel stressed out from being online or doing a project, you can take time away from social media or whatever it is you're working on. Use time away to take care of your emotional health and do other things you enjoy. Try to find a support system through the ways we've talked about, or lean on the one you already have when you are feeling sad or stressed. Now, if you're looking for more information on how you can get involved in any of the things I mentioned, or just information on different disability topics, here are some resources for you. To start, please remember that the library is still a great resource. The Gwinnett County Public Library has a variety of assistance they can offer. There are accessibility kits at each branch that can help you navigate the technology at the library. The Lawrenceville location has a special center with even more accessibility tools. Again, the learning labs are available to create a bunch of different artistic projects, and you can also create 3D objects like Braille alphabet cards there. Book a librarian appointments are available for the learning lab and at the branches to help you navigate different technology or any questions you might have. In addition to those library resources, we also have a diverse collection of large print books, audiobooks, books, DVDs, and videos that feature sign language and Braille instruction. You can also contact us to ask about our other services like mailbox books for homebound customers and sign language translation for programs. Here are a few more resources like ada.gov, the Disability Visibility Project, Disability Link, Exceptional Foundation of Atlanta, and remember, there's always your own healthcare team. Thank you for taking the time to check out this presentation. I hope it has been helpful. If you want to find more informative programs like these, you can find them on GCPL's YouTube channel.